Wadhi nyime ni piny owacho dwaro mondo oket tudruok e kindgi kod kembe mag ji giwegi mar keto dongruok ma opogore pacho ka kolose nyasi chiwo mich mar Moja Express Awards. Jatend migawo mar wuoth Kipchumba Murkomen owacho ni chenro ma kamano ema oywayo joket mwandu pacho ka. Owacho ni yudo joket mwandu e chenro mag dongruok kaka mar expressway bende nomiyo Jo-Kenya maromo 6,000 tije, komedo ni apayano nodwoko chien kinde ma joriembo kawo e kind Mlolongo gi Westlands koa moloyo seche 2 nyaka dakika 20 ka omedo ni gidwa loso expressway machielo e apeyini moting'o Mau Summit Rironi machakore higa manyien Isibania Kisumu, Athi River na Manga Kiambu e kinde mamoko.
We have now more than 200,000 ETC subscribers who have been enjoying the benefit, comfort, and convenience. We are also offering more job opportunities by hiring more than 540 staff and enhance their technology transfer via vocational training program.
It is true that from the study that was done, there was a demand for an expressway in Nairobi, and that means therefore that this investment was viable, that it was possible for one to invest in this expressway, which has reduced traffic time from Lolongo to the exit in Westlands from 2 hours, 2 hours and 20 minutes to merely 20 minutes. The road from Rironi to Mau Summit and possibly to Eldoret is going to be a reality in the year 2024, because these companies who have expressed interest to invest in this road, we are now going to move forward to do evaluation. And this could not have been possible if the expressway was not built. We are exploring the possibility of doing the same on the road which is coming from Isibania to Kisumu and the road from Mau Summit all the way to Kisumu. Kenya is going to change because a firm foundation was established with the construction of the expressway.